Food on a stick is always more fun, and these barbecue sage and onion pork meatballs are no exception, and we're going to show you how it's done. So here's what you're going to need: 500 grams of pork mincemeat, 1 egg, a quartered red onion, 3 cloves of chopped garlic, 3 tablespoons of dried sage, 6 tablespoons of breadcrumbs, half a fine diced onion, some salt and pepper, and your favourite barbecue sauce. So the first thing to do is to get your pork mince into a bowl, and then start breaking the mince up. Add in your chopped garlic and give that a mix. Add in the chopped onion and give that a quick mix. And next into the bowl is the sage. By giving everything a quick mix every time you add an element, it just means that all the ingredients are spread evenly through the meat. Now go in with the breadcrumbs. Don't worry at this point if the breadcrumbs aren't all combining with the meat, it'll sort itself out in a minute. Now go in with your egg. The egg will bind all the ingredients together and pick all those extra breadcrumbs up into the meat. Season the mixture with salt and pepper and give it one final mix. Once you're at this stage, you're ready to make meatballs. For each meatball, you're going to want about a tablespoon of meat. Don't try to make them too big. Simply roll the mixture in the palm of your hand until you create a ball. Try to get them all the same size, but it's not the end of the world if they're slightly different. Once you've made 3, it's time to start skewering up. Start the skewer off with a piece of red onion. Follow that up with a meatball, another piece of red onion, another meatball, red onion, and finally the third meatball. That's your first skewer done. Now it's time to use up the rest of the mixture. And if you follow the directions correctly, you should have enough for 6 full skewers. Now it's time to pop those in the fridge for an hour and let the flavours combine. And when you're done with that, it's time to light up the grill. So we've set up for indirect cooking. That means coals on one side, drip pans on the other side. Now place your skewers directly over the drip pans on the indirect side of the grill. Pop your cover on with the vents wide open and let them cook for about 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, your meatballs will be pretty much cooked, so now it's time to put on some of your favourite barbecue sauce. Coat the meatballs, but don't smother them. You want to enhance the flavour, not drown it out. Once your meatballs are coated, pop the lid back on and let them cook for about another 5 minutes. And once that time is up, it's time to take them off the grill and they're ready to serve. And there it is, pork, sage and onion meatballs with a barbecue glaze. Well, if you've enjoyed this video, please give us a click on the like button, leave us a comment down below and subscribe for more great barbecue videos. Thanks for watching.